So that's pretty much start to finish stock photography. It's a great way to earn passive income without learning a whole new skill set or spending a lot of time and money on startup capital and things like that. So there's just a few things before we go that I'd like to tell you guys about. This is just kind of miscellaneous wisdom that I've learned throughout the years that has helped me out some. So first off, every time you hear or you think the phrase, never seen that before, always take out your phone and take a picture of it. If you haven't seen something before, chances are that there's very low supply of those pictures on Shutterstock. And like I said, it's all about supply and demand. So anytime you see something unusual, out of the ordinary, always take a picture of it. Also, you can expect probably about $5 a month for every time you go out and take these photos and videos. So the more you go out, the more pictures you take, the more videos you take, you'll slowly build something up where after just going out 20 times, that's $100 a month. That's pretty great. So that's kind of what you should expect as far as income goes. And it's also important to note that the stock photography sites have all the power here. If they want to change up their pricing structure, pull the rug, do anything like that, they totally have the power there because you're signing all these contracts and all this stuff. But it's important because of that to really diversify and to send your photos and videos out to basically every platform you can. Because when one thing goes under or one thing changes pricing structure, you still want to have other avenues of income you can rely on. And finally, some other good resources. There's a YouTuber named Nicole Glass who has a really good channel on stock photography. She lives in the DC area and she does a lot of event editorial work, which makes sense. A lot of political events and things like that up there. So she has some really good tips on stock photography. So I recommend checking her out. And then on Skillshare, Victoria Smith teaches a class on metadata and tagging kind of from the black box perspective. And so she's very good at that. So I definitely recommend taking that class as well. So that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoy stock photography. Go out there and make some money.